Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of Usertesting, a platform designed to help businesses understand exactly what their customers think, feel, and experience when interacting with their products, websites, or apps. If you're someone looking to improve customer experience or validate designs before launching, this video is for you. We'll cover everything you need to know: a detailed overview of what user testing does, its standout features, pricing, the pros and cons, so stick around. I've got some awesome insights coming your way. So what is user testing and why does it matter? User testing is a customer experience platform that provides businesses with real-time insights from actual users. The idea here is simple but incredibly impactful. You can't guess what your customers are thinking. You need to hear it directly from them. Whether you're a startup fine-tuning a new website, a product team looking to optimize user flows, or even a marketer testing a new ad campaign, user testing lets you connect with your target audience. Through its network of testers, user testing allows businesses to collect video feedback where real people walk through your product and share their honest thoughts. You see their screen, hear their voice, and understand their perspective, all of which are game changers when trying to perfect a user experience. It's not just about usability testing, it's about getting the why behind user behaviors. Why did they click that button? Why didn't they finish signing up? User testing bridges the gap between what you think your users want and what they actually experience. You may have noticed the presence of a link to Userzoom's platform on the user testing website. This can be explained by the fact that user testing acquired Userzoom in October 2023. This acquisition was a strategic move by user testing to expand its capabilities and solidify its position as a leader in the customer experience and UX research industry. After the acquisition, user testing and Userzoom began working collaboratively to create a more comprehensive platform for user insights. By combining user testing's strengths in qualitative video feedback with Userzoom's expertise in quantitative research and analytics, the goal is to provide businesses with a one-stop solution for all their UX research needs. The link helps direct visitors who may need Userzoom's specialized services, ensuring users access to the full spectrum of offerings. User testing websites now act as a central hub for both platforms. By including a link to Userzoom, the company aims to make it easier for current and prospective clients to explore both tools and understand how they complement one another. It's also a way to demonstrate the breadth of their capabilities post-acquisition. Now let us talk about the main features of the user testing platform. Human Insight Platform. User testing's core feature is its ability to deliver video-based human insights. You send out tasks or questions, and testers provide real-time feedback while interacting with your product. This can include voice recordings, screen captures, or even emotion tracking. Targeted audiences. You can get feedback from your specific audience by filtering testers based on demographics, location, job roles, or even custom criteria. If your target market is, say, working professionals aged 25 to 35, user testing ensures you get relevant insights. Live conversation. Do you want deeper insights? User testing offers live interviews where you can interact directly with participants in real time. This feature is especially useful for probing deeper into responses or clarifying points. Test creation and templates. You don't have to start from the scratch. The platform offers a range of pre-built test templates tailored to different goals like website navigation, app functionality, or product onboarding. Collaboration tools. Share the insights with your team using interactive dashboards and highlight reels. This makes it easier for teams to align and act on the data quickly. Integrations. User testing integrates with tools like Slack, Jira, and Trello, so your insights flow seamlessly into your workflow. With these features, user testing helps turn feedback into actionable improvements. Now let us talk about the pricing of user testing platform. This is where it gets a bit tricky. User testing doesn't publicly list its prices because the cost depends on your company's size and testing needs. What we do know is that they offer custom pricing plans, which means you have to request a quote. Typically, businesses with more extensive testing needs, such as frequent test cycles or access to a global audience, will pay more. For smaller teams or startups, they may have more budget-friendly options. While the lack of transparency might be frustrating, the custom approach ensures you're only paying for what you actually need. Let us talk about the pros and cons of using user testing. First, the pros. Of course, like any platform, user testing has its strengths. High quality feedback. The insights are detailed and actionable, coming directly from real users. Wide audience reach. You can target testers from various demographics and industries. Ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, even for beginners. Versatility. It is great for testing everything from prototypes to fully developed products. Collaboration features. You can share insights easily across teams. How about the cons? Cost. User testing can be expensive, especially for smaller businesses. Time-consuming analysis. Reviewing video feedback and drawing insights can take time. Reliance on testers. Results depend on the quality and engagement of the testers, which can vary. Lack of public pricing. No upfront cost details can deter potential users. Overall, user testing is incredibly powerful, but might feel overwhelming or pricey for smaller operations. So here's the big question. Is user testing worth it? Well, it depends on your needs. If your business values customer feedback and wants to improve its user experience, user testing is an invaluable tool. It helps uncover blind spots, validates decisions, and ensures you're building something your customers actually want. However, it's best suited for businesses that can afford the investment and have the time to analyze the results. For smaller teams, the cost and complexity might not make sense. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Hotjar, Lookback.io, or TryMatter. That's a wrap on today's review of user testing. I hope you gained valuable insights into this platform. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.